If you want to improve your mobility and speed, then perform these hurdle drills. First is high knee. High knee improves your knee lift and improves your speed and explosive strength. So while performing this on hurdles, it increases your mobility, strength, flexibility, and athletic performance. So do this at least 4 to 5 repetitions on 5 to 7 hurdles. Then next we come is 90-degree switch turn. So 90-degree switch turns activates your hip flexors mobility, and hip flexors plays an important role in sprinting as well as in any form of running. So next we come hurdle crossing. It will activate your hip flexors and your quads. So do this at least 2 to 3 repetitions and do these drills at least twice a week to improve your performance. Next we go is lateral skips. So lateral skips helps to improve your flexibility and speed. So it if you do it frequently, then it will increase your speed and athletic performance. So next we come is the next is hurdle crossing. Hurdle crossing improves your whole from glutes, hamstring, quads, etc. So next we come is high knee march. So high knee march improves your stability of core and stance. Next we go is lateral sideways on hurdle. So lateral sideways improves your angle mobility of your hip flexors. So it activates your hip flexors and prevents from your injury. Next we go is B skips, that is cycling. So cycling plays an important role in your arm action, running action, and it improves your stance. So by doing this in a huddle, it strengthens your stance and it improves your running form. So next we go is A skips on hurdle. So A skips on hurdle helps to improve your speed and athletic performance. So do this at least 2 to 3 repetitions for better results. And you need to do these exercises at least twice a week, or you may add this in your warm up routine as well. So next is butt kicks. So butt kicks is good for your hamstrings. So next we go is high knee sideways. So high knee sideways is good for your obliques and strength. So next we go is for plyometric jumps. So or hurdle jumps. So hurdle jumps helps to improve your explosive power, strength, and improves your athletic performance. So if you want to strengthen your legs, then perform these plyometrics on hurdles at least 2 to 3 times in a week for better results. So now we are trying for the lateral jump but not able to perform it well. So here one more lateral jump. So lateral jump helps to improve your agility, sprint your sprint activity and reaction time fast. So I have mentioned all the benefits of these exercises that are covered in this video in description box. If you want to if you want more information about these exercises, then you can read the description box, and for more videos on huddle exercise you can visit channel Gurmukh 400 at the rate sprinter and go to the playlist for the technical work by Gurmukh. Here you get all the information regarding the technical work, that is huddle exercises, plyometrics, and other sprint workouts which improves your speed, endurance, flexibility, agility, mobility. So for more updates, like, share and subscribe Gurmukh 400, and hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.